on?
It's recording.
Hold on. Oh.
Well, we can edit and clip it.
Yes.
Don't worry.
So I am going to make, well, let's start over. Yes. My name is Kim. Welcome to my kitchen.
She's good.
It's okay, you guys can talk. I have guests watching me, so thank you for have an audience. This is like a pretend cooking show. I have an audience.
Cooking with Kim.
Yay, so I'm making the Vietnamese bread Banh. I'm making this for our neighbor, so I'm wearing gloves. See, if I'm making it for our family, I wouldn't care. But anyway, for you guys, I will make a healthier version, so I'll show that in episode 2. But in this episode, I'm going to make the traditional Vietnamese banh mi. So I already toasted this, so I cut it into half, just like any sandwich. And the first thing I'm going to do is, this is pate. Do you know what this is?
I already saw liver pate. Yep.
Yes.
My dad eats it a lot.
Yeah, so it's it's very essential part of the Vietnamese sandwich. So if you're not a fan of pate, you can certainly take that out. You can put butter as a substitute. I need mayonnaise. Oh, right here. So on the other side, you would put mayonnaise. So this version is not the most healthiest.
It's probably the best.
Yes, but it's very tasty. So I'm adding mayonnaise and sriracha. I love sriracha. And so these this too is part of the Vietnamese spread. And then from here, you can certainly add any type of meat that you want. So in here, in this bowl, I have chicken, I have pork, I have shrimp for you because you requested shrimp. So I'm gonna go ahead and use pork for Caroline. Go ahead and add pork on here. Pork. We're gonna do double pork. This is grilled ground pork. I ground it up, add in the seasoning. This is a store-bought, it's called dad. What do you call dad?
Boiled pork?
Yes.
It's like boiled in...
so I buy it from the Vietnamese store.
Like leaves.
Yeah. So, so you have your meat, and then I top it with cucumbers.
Oh, yeah.
You add in your veggies. Cucumber, should do all of it, huh? Cucumber, and then these are the pickled radish that I made it myself. It's right there, so I'll show you how I do that. But pickled radish is something that very common in the Vietnamese cooking.
Carrots and radish.
Yes, thank you. And then these guys right here, which is the jalapeno. So if you're sensitive to spicy food, then take that out. And then the herbs that go in the sandwich are the cilantro. And kind of press it down so you can close it. And because we have a lot of stuff in here, we need a little bit of soy sauce. So can you open up the lid for me? I don't know. Okay, so I just drizzle like that. So here you go, Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. I think your brother probably would love this.
Most definitely.
I don't know if I made it for the barbershop way, but so we're gonna close this up. I'll make her more.
Is it served cold like that? Or
Yeah.
hot?
It can be eaten hot or cold, but I warm up the bread, and the meat is still warm. So you can certainly eat like this.
It's like a lukewarm type of thing.
Yeah, for Caroline, I'll just put a little instruction for her to put it in the oven for like 5 minutes just to get the bread to be crunchy.
Oh, it needs to be crunchy.
Yes. So that's the banh mi. Are we still rolling?
Do you want me to pause and then we can start the other one?
Yeah, sure.